When the blade reaches 30,000 cuts, and after change the blade cutting point and other adjustments, it still fails to meet cutting requirements, replace the blade assembly promptly to ensure cutting precision. First, power on the device and unlock the cutter cover. Open the mobile app, connect to the Fusion Splicer, and navigate to Cutter Setting. Replace blade. A prompt will appear. Switch to blade replacement mode. Click Confirm, and the blade holder will move to the replacement position while the cut count resets to 0. Turn off the Fusion Splicer and begin replacing the blade assembly. The tools required are a 1.5mm Allen wrench, cotton swabs, and tweezers. Use the Allen wrench to loosen the blade holder pivot screw counterclockwise. Remove the blade cover screw and take off the cover. Loosen the blade holder fixing screw, then lift the blade holder out. Remove the adjustment screw and install it onto the new blade assembly. Ensure the cutting point number 1 on the new blade assembly faces directly upward. If not, use a cotton swab to rotate the blade until 1 is at the top. If the cutting point is not set to 1 after installation, go to the app's cutter setting, blade usage details, and rotate blade and perform point calibration. Reinstall the blade assembly. Then tighten the blade holder pivot screw and blade holder fixing screw in order. Check the blade height. The current cutting point should align evenly with both fiber clamping plates. Reattach the blade cover and tighten the cover screw. The blade assembly replacement is now complete. Power on the device, and the blade holder will automatically reset. Perform a test cut. If the fiber isn't fully cut or the end face has burrs, raise the blade holder. If the end face angle is too large or the fiber core is damaged, lower the blade holder. To raise the blade holder, loosen the blade holder fixing screw counterclockwise. Turn the adjustment screw clockwise to raise the blade holder. Tighten the fixing screw clockwise to finish. To lower the blade holder, loosen the adjustment screw counterclockwise. Turn the blade holder fixing screw clockwise to lower the blade holder. Reminder: avoid large screw rotations during adjustments. For coarse adjustments, rotate screws 90 per step. For fine-tuning, rotate about 20. For major adjustments, loosen the blade holder pivot screw first. If cutting performance remains unsatisfactory after replacing the blade assembly, repeat the adjustment steps above.